Today we're going to show you how to change the cartridges in HP Deskjet2700 printer. See the little carriage in there? Let me grab this black ink cartridge. Hold on just a second. That's the color cartridge. Missed it. Let me do this. Come on. This is your cartridge. See that piece of tape right there? You have to remove that piece of tape. Put the cartridge in. Put it in like an angle. Put it in on an angle. Press up. Same thing when you replace the color cartridge. Push down on it, and it releases it. Oh sure, this package opened up good. Always remember to remove that piece of tape off of that circuit board. See that little circuit board on the cartridge? And it's the same thing. Put it in on an angle. Put it in there like that. Oops. Alright. I'm struggling today. So now it's going to print a test sheet, a lineup sheet. Sometime in the century, now it's printing the alignment sheet. Come on. Okay, so now what you do is, see this part here? Make it even all the way to the top, and you press one of the scan buttons, and now it's going to align it. And that's how you replace the cartridges in HP Deskjet 2700 series printer.